This 10-year-old has been trading for 2 months and he has already made $5,000 by trading gold. Hi, I'm Nasir. I used to be a pro trader, but I got destroyed back in 2010 during the financial crisis. Now 10 years later, I am returning to the stock market with a weapon, my 10-year-old son, Deen. I'm going to teach Deen over the coming months how to trade gold like a pro. So what do you think? A 10-year-old could be successful at trading? I'm going to put this to the test with Deen with real money. And this little man is the next upcoming star. Right. He's only 5 years old at the moment, but he's already inspired by Deen's activities.
Hi!
He wants to trade the stock market and become a trader as well. Let's quickly check if he's ready for the challenge. So, Rye,
Yes?
what's 1 plus 1?
2,
What's 2 plus 2?
3.
What's 10 plus 3?
I don't know.
Okay, not quite there yet. Back to Deen. Hey Deen, talk to us.
I'll make videos every week.
Get it?
I'll make videos every week to show my trades and my account so you can see what I'm doing.
So follow us and find out how he does. Let's see how big he can grow his account over the coming months.
Follow me, guys. I'm really looking forward to this journey. It should be fun and rewarding for me, my dad, and you. Come on, guys! Click